Colleen O'Hara here, host of The American Dream. Today, we're here in Bensalem, Pennsylvania. Bensalem is a suburb right outside of Philadelphia, and I have a real treat planned for us today. We're here at a Pennsylvania staple, a true icon in the area. We're here at Philly Pretzel Factory. You might want to see the Independence Hall where they signed the Declaration of Independence. Maybe you check out the Liberty Bell. You look at Betsy Ross' house where she sewed the American flag. You're going to want to put Philly Pretzel Factory on your list. We're going to get to go inside and meet with Dan DeZio. He's the CEO and co-founder of Philly Pretzel Factory. Why don't we go inside and check it out? Hi, Dan.
Hey, Colleen, how you doing?
Nice to meet you.
You too.
So thank you for taking time out of your day today and telling us about Philly Pretzel Factory. How did you get started in Pretzel Factory?
Yeah, well, I really appreciate coming out. I mean, it's an honor to have you in. And the way I got started is I grew up in Bensalem. Right? That's where our corporate office is, as a matter of fact, where we're at. And when I grew up in Bensalem, my neighbor owned a pretzel bakery. I sold 1,000 pretzels, sold them all.
Oh,
and
you're kidding.
Brought in, back then it was 5 for $1.
Okay.
So brought in $200. By the time I got to 9th grade, it was such a lucrative business that I made the business decision that I was going to sell pretzels full time. We went and grown, and over the years, the business has evolved, the menu has evolved, and we went from just pretzels and soda to, pretzels, and our big seller is the bite-sized nuggets. We call them rivets.
Okay.
And we do pretzel party trays with those.
Dan, this was terrific. Thank you so much for meeting with us today.
Absolutely.
I understand you have a test kitchen here. You think you want to go show us how to make a pretzel?
Would love to do that.
Oh my gosh.
Well, let me take you into the test kitchen and show you around, make some pretzels.
Hi, how are you?
Hello. Hi. So Colleen, this is Christina and Jonathan.
Hi, nice to meet you both.
They are head of our R&D team here at Philly Pretzel Factory. And as I told you earlier, there's a lot of new products we're working on. We're keeping them top secret right now. So this kitchen here is designed for, two things. One is we do training here once a month.
Okay.
We come in for a week. We have a classroom upstairs, so we spend a week, half the day downstairs making pretzels from scratch, and then half the day, learning the back end of the business.
Okay.
And then the weeks that we don't have training, we use this as our R&D lab, and that's where Jonathan and Christina come in and really, create the magic and start creating products.
I was going to say, some magic happens in this room.
So what we're going to do today, we're going to show you exactly, we're going to get you to twist some pretzels, we're going to show you how to make some pretzels right from scratch. So you guys want to jump in, show us how it's done?
So excited. Tell us what to do. We had a fantastic day here at Philly Pretzel Factory. We got to meet with Dan DeZio, CEO and founder. He told us about the history. Special thanks to him. Special thanks to Kristen and John in the test kitchen. We got to bake pretzels. We got to salt them, twist the pretzels. It was amazing. We really had a lot of fun. Next time you're in the area, make sure you put Philly Pretzel Factory on your list. I'm Colleen O'Hara, your host with The American Dream.